Hello, I am Kishan Joshi. Do you know why human beings are dominating an entire kingdom, entire world, entire earth? Why why we are so much powerful than any other species in the world? Many species like elephant, zebra, lion, and many other species are way much powerful physically than us. Many species are even more intelligent than us. Many species are very much intelligent than us. There are many species who can be social at certain degree as ourselves also. So, what is the specific reason about humans are the king of the planet? What is this so special about the humans? So, let me share my screen. This particular gene is the most special about the humans. Why? Which particular school? Yes, this FOX-P2 thing. This FOX-P2 gene is the most special in the human beings. If you think about it, this particular gene is responsible for the language, and language is responsible for the communication. Communication, with the help of communication, we can communicate through the help of the language at a very broad spectrum. And due to that reason, our every learning goes to the one generation to the another generation with the help of communication. Our ancestor teach us certain things, and which moves to the one generation to the another generation to the another generations. Right now we are living in the internet world, and any global communication we can get in the seconds. We are the only species on the earth who study the computer. We are the only species on the earth who can read. We are the only species in the world who utilize the language at a massive scale. And to improve, to enhance, to make the language powerful, to make the speech powerful, to make the communication powerful, I came across one tool which is called a Yoodli AI. And this particular tools you can utilize for the interview purposes also. You can improve your speech with the help of this particular tool. So let me type some tools name. This is Yoodli AI. This is a great tool. Check out this website right now. This particular tool is helpful for improving your interview skill. It is helpful for improving your speaking skill. It is helpful for improving your communication skill. And if you belongs to the vernacular medium, then it is the pure gift for you. So that's a Udly free communication coach. Let's open it. Yes, this is the entire dashboard. Let me sign in. You can do a lot of things, but I will teach you only something which is most important. How this particular interface works and how this particular link is operated. So first of all, sign in process. You have to complete sign in process by your old yourself also. So I not included it in a video. So you can this is the entire dashboard. When you complete the sign in process, this is the entire dashboard you can see. The practice, you can practice interview, you can practice presentation, you can practice the conversation, and you can upload any video and it gives the feedback. So, and this is the dashboard. I previously recorded certain things, and here certain videos, certain speeches, and here it shows the focus area, pillar words, weak words, repetitions. Your it will give the feedback. And being human, as a human beings, we need a safety. We can't learn speech or communication or English language or anything during the communication, because when we are in a communication, we are in a threatening position. We are in a threatening position. So we don't learn during the intense communication sessions, but we learn it with some preparation practice. It is said that sweat more on the practice, so you can bleed less in the war. Sweat more in the practice, bleed less in the war. So here you can practice. This is the platform for you to practice. So let's practice, and let's practice it. Interview. I open the interview. So interview's first question is, tell me about yourself. So here I can't open the video here. If I click, if you click the video in when you use the Yoodli AI, you can see the video in this particular screen, which is blue. But right now I can't do these things because I already opened the Zoom video. So let's start my interview. So in the three, hello, I am Kishan Joshi. I completed my Bachelor of Pharmacy in 2023. During that Bachelor of Pharmacy, I made a lot of projects, and after the completing my Bachelor of Pharmacy, I joined one enterprise resource planning company. And during that particular time, I worked into the implementation part of the enterprise resource planning software in the pharmaceutical company. So I go there and train the people. I have experience in training the people, making the murph video with the help of voiceovers, and software testing as well. If I talk about my higher secondary studies, then I completed my higher secondary in 2018, and 10th standard in 2016. Um, and apart from my professional journey, apart from the pharmacy background, I love the data analytics. Apart from my professional background, I love uh, i love the I love the reading and non-fiction genre specifically. Atomic Habit, Subtle Art of Not Giving Fuck, Rich Dad Poor Dad, Everything is Fucked, Seven Habits of Highly Effective People. These are all my favorite books, and you should definitely read it. It's literally life-changing books. So thank you so much for giving me opportunity. Thank you. Next question. I will go for the next question. So So you can see the AI generated one question. So I'm actually starting the answer. So if I talk about my training with the training experience in the pharmaceutical industry, then the pharmaceutical industry is a quite rigid industry. And if I talk about specifically, then our pharmaceutical industry is still not standardized at that level. And the more important part is there are a lot of vagueness in the pharmaceutical industry as well. Our work is not paperless. It's bunch of papers. Our work is it's a bunch of papers. So we have to, our goal is as a implementation part is to reduce the paper and increase the efficiency. So whatever actually happening at the paper level, at the offline level, which is manually written, which is sometimes wrong, and sometimes actually I find that the maximum many people cannot able to find the files. So to reduce this inefficiency in the pharmaceutical industry, I trained different peoples. I collaborate with the QA department, QC departments, the security department, and many other departments. And I shown the software in the conference room of the particular companies, and teach to the specific relevant person who is responsible for uh, other processes in the pharmaceutical industry, and and which can help in a approval process, because approval is required, because every process required a regulation to follow, and that's what I done. So I can done the entire session done, and the entire session will be completed. So I done it. So now we can ask me a AI follow-up question. If I click on it, then the follow-up question will be generated with the help of AI. So what is okay? So the AI asking me about one very specific topic about how I implemented the software, and how actually I made the video. So I made the video with the videos about into the software. I made the video of the software training in the inside the software, which is uploaded inside the software, so other people can see how to operate the software. So what I done, if I talk about myself, then I use the two software specifically, Camtasia and the Murph AI. Murph is responsible for the generating the voiceover, which is generated with the AI. Like if we has the Shah Rukh Khan's voice, and we has a lot of data about the Shah Rukh Khan voice. We have a lot of big data sets of the Shah Rukh Khan voice. Then AI can generate the Shah Rukh Khan's voice in our sentences also. So in the similar way, we use the many of the intellectual persons as a celebrities and in the Murph AI, and use their voice for our training videos. And if I talk about the software testing role, this is specifically the office work. Um, when any developer make any software changes, or it reduces the some sort of bugs, or it work on certain entries, then we have to check by implementing and in doing the some test case analysis in the software. This is particularly our work, and we have to check every entry. This is our work. Like one entry called a dynamic data entry creation, which is basically the basically the make efficient the calibration report. So because every machine has their own calibration report, and we have to make it software customizable, because every machine should be customizable, every test should be the customizable, and we have to check every calculations in the software. So this type of things also I done in a software testing experience. So that's all from my side. So let's me done. Yeah, if you want, then you can ask. You can practice more by just clicking on the "Ask Me to AI" follow-up question. It will generate more, but I don't think it is more important, because it just increase the length of the video. So let's view analytics. So this is the great part. Just let me open. Let's just open by itself. It taking some times. View analytics is really great, because it gives you a coaching as well as showing the analytics as well. This is the entire video. This is your entire transcript. You can see, and on the left side, and this is the analytics part. Coaching. Here you can show the strength. You provided a detailed overview of your experience and projects, demonstrating a broad range of skill, and nice job. Then also it's also suggests the growth area. Your response could be more structured and enhance clarity and engagement. Consider at the beginning with the brief for personal anecdote that connects. So this type of information is given. Then the feedback response is given for every particular seconds. Then we move towards the analytics part. That's where the treasure of this particular software is. Here it shows everything. It shows the non-inclusive words. Non-inclusive words means you know what is non-inclusive word. So I used the 0% in this particular interview. Weak words. I use the 28 weak words, which is 3%, which is good. Then the repetition. I done 18 repetition. I use the 76 filler words. Let me see. This is, you can see what is the filler words I used. Conciseness, 38% excess. 30% excess is enough. 38% excess is a little big because I shown my entire experience. So it somehow excess. Sentence starter with the you. 22% of the sentence started with the you. So this is the thing we have to improve. Like, let's see the delivery part of it. My speed and pace is basically the conversational, not so much fast, not so much slow. And conversational style and audio recording also, word per minute also given. Here my word per minute is around 140 to 140 to 156. Here my word per minute is 165. So 140 to 165, it's a basically good ratio, which is conversational. So I am into that particular window. So it's good. And if I see the pauses, you can see this things where I use the pauses. You can also play and experience also. You can also read your entire script from here. You can go into home and if you want to see the demo video, then you can see these things. You can want to analytical report, then you can do these things. If you see the go to the dashboard, in the filler word pacing question asked and choose a focus. You can do everything. You can read your analytics report here. And if you, this is a library, speech library, where I recorded certain videos previously. And this is exercises you can do. So do this exercise, check out this link, check out this Udemy platform, and it will help you a lot. So let me stop sharing my screen. Hopefully it will help you a lot. So thank you so much for listening, and hope you find it out valuable. So let's get into the next video. We will meet at the next video. So thank you so much for listening. Please like, share, and subscribe if you find value in this video. Thank you.